You know what? I was talking to my friend yesterday, and I said something really short, like, I'm tired. That's it. And he looked at me and said, why? And I didn't know what to say next.
Oh my God, Martin. That happens to me all the time.
Right? Like, we know why we're tired, but how do we say it?
Exactly. That's why today is so important. Day 8, everyone.
Day 8. We're talking about two tiny words that change everything.
Because and so.
That's it. Just those two words. But Kate, they make you sound so much better.
They really do. You go from saying baby sentences to real sentences.
Baby sentences. I love that. Okay, let me not waste time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hey guys, welcome to day 8 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
I'm Martin.
And I'm Kate. And we are so happy you're here today.
Seriously, if you're watching this, you're doing amazing. Day 8. That's more than a week.
I know, right? That's commitment. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been with us since day 1, wow. We see you, we love you.
We really do. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, just click that button. You know, the red one. Yeah, that one. It helps us so much.
And turn on the bell, because we're doing this every single day, 30 days. You don't want to miss one.
Exactly. All right, Kate. So today, because and so.
Yes, 2 small words. But Martin, why are they so powerful?
Because, see what I did there?
Oh, you're so funny, Martin.
No, but seriously, these words connect your ideas. Like instead of saying, I'm tired, you say, I'm tired because I didn't sleep well.
Boom. Now it's a real sentence. Now people understand you.
Right? Or you say, I didn't sleep well, so I'm really tired today.
Same meaning, different word, but both sound natural.
And that's the point, guys. When you speak English, you don't want short, choppy sentences. You want flow.
Yes, flow, that's the word. You want your sentences to connect, to feel smooth.
Exactly. So, Kate, let me ask you, why do people struggle with this?
Okay, good question. I think because in their mind, they translate word by word.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
Like they think, I am tired, period. And then they stop. They don't connect the thought.
Right, but in real English, we don't talk like that.
No, we say, I'm tired because I worked all day. Or I'm tired, so I'm going to bed early.
See? That's how we actually talk. And guys, that's what you need to practice.
Yeah, don't just memorize sentences. Feel the connection.
Ooh, I like that. Feel the connection.
Thanks, Martin. I'm deep today.
You are. Okay, so let's break it down. First, because.
Because is for reasons, why something happened.
Right. So, example, I'm happy.
Okay, short sentence, not bad. But why are you happy, Martin?
I'm happy because it's the weekend.
There we go. Now I know why. Now it makes sense.
Exactly. And listeners, you can do this with anything. I'm sad. Why? I'm sad because my friend moved away.
Oh, that's sad.
It is. Or I'm hungry.
I'm hungry because I skipped breakfast.
Yes. See how easy it is?
It really is. You just add because and then say the reason.
And guys, you already know the reason in your head. You just need to say it.
That's true. Like you know why you're tired. You know why you're late. Just say it.
Exactly. Don't be shy. Just speak.
Okay, so Martin, let me give you a sentence. You ready?
I'm ready.
I didn't go to the party.
Okay. I didn't go to the party because I was sick.
Perfect. See? Easy. Now you try, guys. Pause the video. Say it out loud. I didn't go to the party because...
Yeah, finish it. Say your reason. Maybe you were busy. Maybe you were tired. Whatever. Just say it.
And don't worry about mistakes. Just practice.
All right. Now let's talk about so.
Ooh, so. I love this word.
Me too. It's so useful.
You just used it.
I did, see? We use it all the time. So is for results, what happened next.
Right. So if because is the reason, so is the result.
Exactly. Example, it was raining, so I stayed home.
Perfect. The rain is the reason, staying home is the result.
Right. Or I was hungry, so I made a sandwich.
Yum! Now I'm hungry.
Sorry, but you see the pattern?
I do. Something happened first, then so, then what you did about it.
Yes, and guys, this is how native speakers talk. We use so constantly.
We really do. Like, I was tired, so I went to bed early. Or, I had a headache, so I took medicine.
Exactly. It's natural, it's simple, and it makes you sound fluent.
Okay, Martin, let's do a quick game. I'll say a situation, you use so.
Okay, I'm ready.
I forgot my umbrella.
I forgot my umbrella, so I got wet.
Oh, poor Martin.
I know, right? Okay, my turn. I woke up late.
I woke up late, so I missed the bus.
Oh no!
I know, it's the worst. Okay. I studied hard.
Ooh, good one. I studied hard, so I passed the exam.
Yes, happy ending.
I love it. Okay, guys, your turn. Think of a situation. Use so. Say it out loud. Practice.
Yes, seriously, don't just listen to us. Speak. That's the whole point.
Right, this is a speaking challenge, not a listening challenge.
True. Okay, so Martin, now the big question, because versus so.
Ooh, okay, yeah, people get confused about this.
They do. Like, when do I use which one?
Okay, here's the trick. Listen carefully, everyone. Because comes after the result and gives the reason.
Right. I'm tired because I didn't sleep.
The result is first. I'm tired. Then the reason, because I didn't sleep.
Got it. Now, so.
So comes after the reason and gives the result.
I didn't sleep, so I'm tired.
Reason first, I didn't sleep, then result, so I'm tired.
Oh, okay. So they're kind of opposite.
Exactly. Same meaning, different order.
Wow, that's actually really clear.
Right? And guys, this is important. In English, order matters.
It really does. So you need to think, what do I want to say first, the reason or the result?
Yes, and then choose because or so.
Okay, let me test this. I'm going to the doctor.
Okay, why?
I'm going to the doctor because I feel sick.
Perfect. Now use so.
I feel sick, so I'm going to the doctor.
Yes, same meaning, different structure.
I love it. Okay, guys, you try. Think of two sentences, one with because, one with so.
Yeah, and make them about the same situation, like Kate just did.
Right, this helps you understand the difference.
All right, so, Kate, let me ask you something real.
Okay, shoot.
Why did you start learning English?
Oh, good question. I started learning English because I wanted to travel.
Nice. And did you? Did you travel?
I did. I went to Australia and oh my God, Martin, I was so nervous.
Why?
Because I thought my English was bad. But it was fine. People understood me.
See, that's the thing. You don't need perfect English. You just need to communicate.
Exactly. And using words like because and so really helped me.
How?
Because I could explain things. Like, if I was late, I could say, sorry, I'm late because the bus was slow.
Right. And that's so much better than just saying, sorry, late.
Yeah, it sounds so rude if you just say late.
It does. People want to know why.
Exactly. And so helped me too. Like, the bus was slow, so I'm late.
Perfect. See, guys, this is real life. These words matter.
They really do. Okay, Martin, your turn. Why did you start learning? Wait, English is your first language.
It is, but I learned Spanish.
Ooh, okay, why?
I learned Spanish because I moved to Spain for a year.
Wow, how was that?
Amazing, but hard, because at first I couldn't say anything.
Really?
Yeah, like I knew words, but I couldn't connect them.
Oh, like what we're talking about today.
Exactly. I could say, tengo hambre. That means I'm hungry, but I couldn't say why.
Right, you needed por qué. That's because in Spanish.
Yes, tengo hambre porque no comí. I'm hungry because I didn't eat.
See, same problem, different language.
Exactly. So guys, if you're struggling with this in English, you're not alone. Everyone struggles with this.
Everyone, even native speakers learning other languages.
Right, it's normal. Just practice.
And don't give up.
Never give up. Okay, so let's do some examples together. Real life situations.
Yes, I love this. Okay, situation 1, you're late to work.
Okay, I'm late to work because there was traffic.
Good, now with so.
There was traffic, so I'm late to work.
Perfect. Okay, situation 2, you can't come to a party.
I can't come to the party because I have to work.
And with so?
I have to work, so I can't come to the party.
Nice. Okay, harder one. You're learning English.
Ooh, okay. I'm learning English because I want a better job.
Yes, and with so?
I want a better job, so I'm learning English.
Amazing. See, guys, it's the same idea, just different order.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
So true. Okay, Martin, let's ask our listeners a question.
Oh, I love this part. Okay, everyone, here's your question.
Why are you learning English? Use because in your answer.
Yes, write it in the comments. I'm learning English because...
And finish the sentence. We want to know your reason.
Yeah, and don't be shy. There's no wrong answer.
Maybe you're learning because you love movies or because you want to travel.
Or because you need it for school or work, whatever. Just tell us.
Yeah, we read all the comments, seriously.
We do, and it helps us make better videos for you.
Exactly. So please comment below. I'm learning English because...
All right, so Kate, we've been talking about because and so for a while now.
We have, and I hope it's making sense.
I think it is, but guys, remember, knowing the words is not enough.
True, you have to use them.
Exactly. So today, your homework...
Ooh, homework.
Yes, your homework is to make 5 sentences.
3 with because, 2 with so.
Yes, write them down or say them out loud or both.
And they should be about your life, real situations.
Right, not fake examples, real things.
Like, I'm happy because I finished work early.
Or, I finished work early, so I went to the gym.
Perfect. See, real life, your life.
Exactly. And guys, this is how you improve, by making it personal.
So true. Okay, we're almost done, but before we go,
Let me just say, day 8, you made it.
you really did, and we're so proud of you.
Seriously, keep going. Don't stop now.
Yeah, we have 22 more days together, and it's only going to get better.
It is. So, see you tomorrow for day 9.
Yes, same time, same place.
And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button.
And subscribe if you haven't already.
Okay, bye everyone.
Take care.
And remember, keep speaking.
Keep practicing.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.